Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Optimizely for A/B testing strategy, full guide step by step clearly. On the home page, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button, typically located in the top right corner. Click on the button to be directed to the registration page. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and company details. Select a password that meets the required criteria for account security. After filling out the necessary fields, review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've completed the form, click the Create Account button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email shortly. Open the email and click the link to verify your account. After verification, return to the Optimizely website and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available for A/B testing. To initiate a subscription plan, navigate to the Pricing or Plans section. Choose the plan that best suits your A/B testing needs, taking note of the features offered. You will be prompted to enter your payment information securely. Fill in the required payment details, ensuring all information is accurate. Review your selections and payment details before finalizing your subscription. Once confirmed, you should receive a confirmation of your subscription via email. Now you are ready to set up A/B tests using Optimizely's platform. Take advantage of the tutorials and resources available in the dashboard to maximize your A/B testing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.